Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you are across the world. I am very happy and highly delighted to be here today. I welcome you to this channel. This is Lasojani Talk. In today's video, I will be showing you how to trade on Binance exchange site. How to trade on Binance exchange. Binance is one of the top cryptocurrency exchange sites in the world, if not for the best and for the first. It is one of the most secured and most recognized cryptocurrency exchange sites in the world. So with a very high trading volume, that is in billions of dollars on daily basis. So I will be showing you step by step as a beginner how to trade on Binance exchange site, because trading cryptocurrency is also very technical, and there are some professional aspects that it entails. But I believe that a journey of 1,000 miles also started with a step. So I will be showing you how you can start trading cryptocurrency and making some profit for yourself on Binance as a beginner. So this video will be limited to some things for you as a beginner. So okay, quickly let me take you to the site. And as you all know that this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasojani Talk, because in this channel this channel is created as a means whereby I show people how they can make money online. So I use this channel to show you how I'm making some money for myself online. And if you're also interested in any of my training videos, you can also do your own due diligence research before you start any of the aforementioned content. All right, okay. So if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new video, so that you are not going to miss out on any of the information that I do pass across to my viewers through this channel. Okay, and don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and family if truly it has added value to you, or you found it to be very meaningful and useful. And share with your friends and family for them also to benefit from the information that you are receiving. Okay, so now let's go to the coin market capitalization. Let's check the genuinity of Binance crypto. Sorry, let's check the genuinity of Binance cryptocurrency exchange site. So it's now loading. Okay, the network is a bit slow. Okay, right, so now it's now opening. Let's go to the exchanges. Wow, as you can see, Binance is on the number one list, is on top of the table, and the trading volume in 24 hours is 108.20 billions of dollars. 108.20 billion dollars. That is the 24-hour volume of trade in Binance exchange. So I can see that it is indeed a very big cryptocurrency exchange site. So this video is on how you can trade successfully on Binance as a beginner. All right, now let me take you to my Binance account, where I'll be showing you some things. So you need to download this app. You need to download the app that you can trade on your mobile device. So in this video, sorry, in the description box of the video, I will the to our Binance account. I'm going to drop the registration data. You can have a Binance account. Start trading after you have watched this video and you discover that it is what you can do. So you can also start and you can improve your skill gradually. And okay, so now sorry, this is my Binance app. So this is my Binance app because I'm on the mobile platform right now. Okay, so you are going to register. After you have registered, you will surely go through the registration processes and they make sure that you verify. The verification, they are in stages, and the higher the verification stage that you have attained, the higher uh the higher the access to the features of Binance that you are going to have. So you are going to have more access to the features in Binance, and then your account will the limit of your account, that is the limit to your trading account, it will increase depending on the stage of your verification. So you need to verify your account by providing your means of identification. So that is very paramount. It is highly required. Okay, so after you have done that, the next thing for you to do is to deposit your fiat currency. That one can be somehow tedious because in some countries, in which Nigeria is included, cryptocurrency trading is banned. So for you to now deposit your fiat currency, what I mean by fiat currency is your local currency. I'm a Nigerian, so we spend naira here. If you're in Ghana, they spend cedis. If you're in South Africa, they spend South African rands. In US, they spend US dollars. In Britain or in UK, they spend uh, pounds there. So depending on the country that you are, so it now depends if the cryptocurrency ban is not available in your home country, but in Nigeria and in some other countries, there's cryptocurrency ban. Okay, so now for that reason, there's something they call peer-to-peer. So you can now deposit your fiat currency through peer-to-peer, or you can even buy that particular currency that you want to buy. But for the sake of this video, I won't be going to peer-to-peer trading because that is another topic entirely. So after you have successfully deposited to uh, your account, to your Binance account, it surely reflects here in your wallet. So you come down to the left, sorry, to the right bottom of your screen here. To the right bottom of your screen here, you click on wallet. Okay, so here you click on wallet. Wallet to bring all your assets, both fiat currency and your cryptocurrency, to bring all your assets there. All right, so I'm waiting for this one to load so that I can show you what I have. So I'm having $130 as my assets. You can see, let me go to the spot. So we also have different some features, that is, we have overview, we have spot, we have margin, we have futures, and we have P2P. So that is my balances in all this column, that is in spot account, in margin account, in futures account, and in my P2P account. The summary, as in the accumulation, the total will be in my overview. As you can see, the total of spot, margin, futures, and P2P will be in overview. So but if I want to go to spot account, then I will now click on spot account. If I want to go to P2P account, then I click there. If I want to go to margin, so you can trade in any of these, or let me show you. You can trade in any of these accounts, in margin, in spot, in futures, and in P2P. I hope you understand now. But as a beginner, you need to start from sports. as a beginner you need to start from spot. So all the other one that is margin futures and p2p, they require some technical know-how, so they are somehow technical for you to do. But as a beginner you can start with sports. So in my subsequent video on how to trade on Binance, then I can go deeper and deeper and teach you how to do the rest. But for now, this video is limited to sports trading. Okay, now, so after you have deposited your fiat currency, you come to spot trading here. You come to spot trading, you can trade your naira, your fiat currency slash cryptocurrency, can trade for different cryptocurrency pair and so on. For instance, I have naira here, I have Dogecoin, I have Litecoin, I have BNB, I have ETH. So let's assume I want to trade naira and Bitcoin. I will click on naira here. So after I've clicked on naira, okay, so let me go back. Let me go to the market here or trade. Come down to the bottom here. Actually, I don't want this video to be very lengthy, but I need to explain to you. Come to this place, trade. Click on trade. After you have clicked on trade, then you select fiat currency. You select fiat currency here. You select fiat currency. I'm citing an example on naira now. So I have clicked on fiat currency. So okay, there is no any PA for naira right now. There's no PA. What I mean is that there's no coin that you can buy with naira for now. So let's select other cryptocurrency. Let's use USD. So after that, then we go to the market. Let's go to the market. Okay, here you are going to choose fiat currency. Okay, so let's choose naira. Let's choose naira here. You just try to scroll. Oh, okay, I'm trying to scroll to naira here. Sorry. Okay, this is naira. So you have selected naira now. So I'm expecting that it should bring all the available trade for naira. But it's like the network is a bit poor tonight. Okay, so we have seen some cryptocurrency that have in naira pair. You can see USDT slash naira. It is 530 naira per USDT. 530 naira per USDT. I think that is the only crypto pair for naira. There's no any other coin that is there because the ban on cryptocurrency. So this is where I will stop for today. In the subsequent video on how to trade on Binance, I will continue from there. If you have any question concerning this video, come through my WhatsApp number or just drop your message in the comment section, in the comment box of this video. I'm going to read it and I will reply you as soon as possible. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell and share with your friends and family. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you. Bye for now.